Hey there, and welcome to the channel. If you're tired of being tagged in photos on X without your permission, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method to disable photo tagging in the X mobile app and protect your privacy once and for all. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, select Settings and Privacy from the options that appear. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety to open your privacy settings. Then, select Audience and Tagging from the available choices. Finally, tap on Photo Tagging and choose the option Off to disable it completely. And that's it. You've now stopped people from tagging you in photos on X. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you next time.